If you want to change your font in Roblox, for example to Minecraft font, what you need to do first is download this file from the link in the description. And then I will navigate to the file and then right click, extract here. I can delete this now. And if I open this, I can see all of these fonts. So I will just Control A, select all, and Control C, copy. After that, I will press Win key and R. And then I will type %appdata% and click OK. And then after I get here, I will click on appdata, one folder back. Then I'll go to local. And then I will click somewhere and press R on my keyboard so that it finds R and there is Roblox. And then go to versions. So now when you get to versions, just do this for all the folders. Open content, go to fonts, paste. And replace the files in the destination. And after you do that, you can just run the game. And you can already see from the menu here that the font is different. And that is it. Hopefully this helps you.